Hi everyone, welcome back to part 5 of clearing my 3-year painting backlog. I've collected stamps from 8 national parks and had been on a quest to paint them now. In my previous videos, I've painted Glacier, Denali, Rocky Mountain, and Joshua Tree National Park. And today, I'm painting a postcard from the second stop on our fall 2025 road trip, the Saguaro National Park. This was a new park for us, and we only had enough time to see one half of the park, so we chose to visit the western side in hopes of catching some glorious sunsets. This park was essentially a forest of giant, funky looking cacti, and we were thoroughly amused by them. They have so much character, like they are standing guard over the landscape. The Saguaro National Park was established as a preserve for these cacti, which only grow in this area of Arizona and Sonora in Mexico. I was hoping to spot a bobcat perched on top of a large cactus, but no luck this time. I have to say, this was the easiest postcard subject to decide and paint. I focused mostly on creating gradient washes, which were very therapeutic. I've added the specific pigments used in the description box below. And with that, we are 5 down and 3 to go. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to follow along as I clear out the rest of my backlog. I have 3 more national park postcards and stories to tell behind them. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.